Hello. So today I'm going to be showing you what blue shampoo and like a silver color conditioner does to brown hair. In my last video where I kind of showed you what purple shampoo looks like on brown hair, I asked you guys if you wanted to see a video with like blue shampoo and the cleansing conditioner, and someone said yes, so here we are doing that video today. And guys, we're trying to hit 6,000 subscribers, so if you're new, make sure that you subscribe. Okay, I'm gonna hop right in, but before I do, don't forget to hit the like button. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so here is the before of my hair looks like. As you can tell, it's pretty crusty and brassy and the color is just not good. And I haven't toned my hair in a few weeks, so the color is starting to look really orange and yellow and just kind of gross in my opinion. So this is when I like to use a toning shampoo or just some toning products. So today I'm going to show you what the blue shampoo and the silver cleansing conditioner looks like on brown hair and what it does. As you can tell, I have like black roots and my hair is mostly black at the top, and then towards the bottom I have like brown hair, and you can see it's like really orange because I have some highlights and it's just looking kind of nasty. So I want to show you what this will do if you have like brown hair, or if you have highlights, or if you have like orange tones, yellow tones in your hair. To be honest, this is better if you have brown hair with orange tones because it's a blue shampoo and it's meant to correct the orange tones, but it's not really gonna brighten the parts that are like yellow as much as a purple shampoo would. If you want like brighter hair, if you want hair that's, if you want a fixed hair that's more yellow, then a purple shampoo is kind of what you're looking for. And I'll link the video that I made with the purple shampoo so you can check it out. I also have a video comparing blue shampoo and purple shampoo, so again, I'll link that and you can kind of see for yourself what the difference is. But typically in my experience, I find that blue shampoo will kind of make your hair a little bit darker because it's designed for brown hair, so it's not really gonna like brighten your hair. It's more just gonna correct a lot of that orange tones by putting kind of a dark blue tone on top of it, if that makes sense. And then as far as the cleansing conditioner, it's just a silver conditioner and all it does is deposit a little bit of an ash tone on top of whatever your hair color is already at, like naturally. So yeah, it's not gonna lighten your hair. If you want to do that, you have to like bleach it. Yeah, it's not gonna lighten your hair, so that's the only thing. It's really just gonna deposit color on top of it, and that's the one thing I want to emphasize. So imagine like whatever your hair color is, just imagine that it's gonna deposit like a translucent layer of blue and a translucent layer of ash, like silver color on top, and that's what you're gonna get. It's never gonna like make it lighter or brighter. I think the purple shampoo does make it a little bit brighter, but the blue one not so much. Okay, and how I apply it is I just use it as a normal shampoo. So when I'm in the shower, I will literally just shampoo out my hair, and since my color that I'm trying to correct is more focused on the bottom, I will focus the shampoo more on the bottom of my hair rather than the roots, just because it's kind of drying also. So I don't want to put it like unnecessarily on my roots just to like dry it out for no reason. And you're supposed to leave this on, I think, anywhere from like 1 to 3 minutes depending. If you have super light hair, I don't recommend leaving it on for too long, probably just like a minute. If you have like maybe like blonde hair or like platinum blonde hair, probably just a minute will be good because you don't want it to be like stained blue or purple. But if it does get stained, don't worry, it'll come out in like a couple washes. It doesn't last that long, so it's not a big deal. If you have more brown hair, I would do like 2 to 3 minutes. Or if you have like balayage hair, maybe like a dark to medium blonde, light brown type of deal, I'd probably do 2 to 3 minutes just so that you get the full toning effect. Okay, and then I will rinse it out, and now I'm gonna follow up with the color conditioner. This conditioner is actually very moisturizing and very good for bleach colored hair. And I remember when I first tried it, I was like surprised by how good it was, because I was thinking that it would just put color on it and it wouldn't be like that moisturizing and stuff because of the blue shampoo and the purple shampoo being so drying. I figured that toning products would just tone my hair and not like moisturize it, but I was very pleasantly surprised by how well it actually moisturized my hair, and it's actually a really good conditioner. And when I came out of the shower, I felt like my hair was really soft and smooth, so we did that. Sometimes if I'm feeling really extra, I will follow up with a hair mask as well, just literally like a little pea size, run it through the bottoms of my hair, just because again the blue shampoo is going to be really drying. So if you want like nice soft hair, you're gonna want to do a hair mask or some kind of intense conditioner. The cleansing conditioner is pretty good, so it's probably fine if you don't, but if you just want like that extra step to make your hair really nice, then you can do this. Okay, and then this is what the hair looks like after. I'm actually filming this talking part before I even film the part of me doing all the stuff, so I'm not 100% sure what it's gonna come out to be like. But from my past experience, normally it will make my hair less orange looking, but sometimes it makes it a little bit darker just because the blue shampoo does that. And then as far as the color conditioner, I feel like that helps a little bit as far as like brightening some of the yellow bits in my hair and just like making it look really nice and ashy. But yeah, it's not gonna like lighten it. It will just like kind of remove some of the nasty yellow orange tones if you have that, but it's not gonna like bleach it to a different color or like a lighter color. It's not gonna lift it basically to a different color. Okay, so that's what the hair looks like after. I do think it looks a lot better than the before. I feel like the before was super crusty, and afterwards it's like more cool tone and it just looks a lot nicer. But yeah, this is what blue shampoo and color conditioner will do to brown hair. If you have like brown hair, or if you have like brown hair with highlights, this is basically what you can expect. So I hope that you guys found this video to be helpful. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll try my best to answer them. And yeah, if you have any requests for like hair videos, let me know and I will be sure to do that in the future. I feel like my hair is looking so crusty right now, so it's kind of embarrassing to be filming a hair video when your hair looks like crap. And I've just been itching to get my hair done, but I'm a little bit sus just because of everything that's going on. But hopefully I can get my hair done soon because my friend's getting married in March and I really want to have like nice hair for her wedding. So yeah, hopefully I can get my hair done, and then hopefully after that I can film a lot more hair content for you guys, because I know you guys really like the hair videos on my channel versus like other videos. Yeah, leave your request down below. That's it for today's little video. I hope you liked it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye!